Chit Chat is brought to you by One Stop Talk, free on-demand therapy for kids and teens. Connect with a therapist online or by phone. No wait lists, no stress.
A week from tomorrow, you are going to hear a lot of voices raised together for the sake of our country. Reverend Canon Martha Tatarnic from St. George's Anglican Church in St. Catharines is organizing the Great Canadian Sing-Along. And this is about raise your voice, not your blood pressure. I love this idea.
Yeah, we're so excited. I think actually we're going to raise our spirits. We might take the roof off the church building. It's going to be a real blowout. It's going to be so much fun.
And this isn't just because it's in a church, it's just the setting. There's no hymns on the song list.
No, absolutely no hymns. It's not a religious gathering. It is just about bringing community together in a beautiful space and doing something positive for people's spirits, for their sense of community, for celebrating Canada in the midst of anxious times.
And not political at all.
It's not political, no. I think that, I don't think it's political to celebrate being a Canadian, to celebrate our stories, to celebrate our songs.
Well, what prompted this? I know it's the, you know, we're going to become a 51st state. We are not.
Yeah, not the 51st
No.
state. That is also our tagline.
And the tariffs and the fear around that, and the you know, everybody is so worried.
Yeah, I know, that's the thing. I mean, we really try to have our finger on the pulse in our community about what is on people's minds and what's on people's hearts. We have this like monthly gathering around a hot topic. So last month's gathering was Songs to Celebrate Canada, and there was so much excitement and joy and interest and opinions about what songs should be on that list that we thought we need to like extend this a lot wider. We need to invite the whole community to come in and be part of this, because like this is such an antidote to the anxiety that people are feeling right now.
Because sometimes, like, even if you don't think you have a great voice, just the act of singing together.
Exactly. I mean, there's all kinds of really interesting research. I'm a musician as well as an Anglican priest, and there's just so much research about what it does to us physiologically to sing. And then to sing together, it's like the ultimate expression of community. And I think that we really need that right now.
Do you think these sing-alongs are becoming like the new kind of, you know, when we had the pop-up dances and the...
Oh, I love that. I mean, I think that that would be great, right? Because there actually aren't that many places where people come together to sing anymore. And this isn't about performance. It's not about rehearsals. It's anybody of any musical talent.
You don't have to belong to a choir.
You really don't have to belong to a choir. We're going to have some really talented song leaders who are going to, you know, make sure that we're on track with the songs, and they're going to add to the fun and excitement. They're really, you know, just so good at being able to get everybody singing together.
Okay, so we've got about 90 seconds left. Let's get into the details of this. So when's the date and when's the time?
Okay, so it's April 30th. So as you said, it's a week tomorrow, and it's at 7 p.m. We'll open the doors about 6:15, and yeah, we just hope that people from all over Niagara are going to come and join us for an amazing night.
And where is the church in St. Catharines?
It's downtown St. Catharines. It's on Church Street, 83 Church Street. The song list is pretty top secret, but we're going to be putting out a few hints on social media over the coming days. Everybody, you know, has ideas about what the most iconic Canadian songs are, but we think that we've come up with a pretty smashing playlist.
Okay. What's the capacity for the church? Like, how many people could pack this place?
I think the official capacity of our church is 350. We are looking at some overflow arrangements if need be. So, yeah, we would love to overflow.
I bet you're going to do that. Like, I'm excited about this.
Yeah,
it's a little bit past my bedtime, but
oh my gosh, yeah.
But it would be so much fun. And I wonder if this is going to be the start of something fabulous.
Yeah, I think that it really could be, honestly, because I think people need this sort of thing right now.
We do. Okay, again, it is the Great Canadian Sing-Along. Reverend Martha, thanks so much for coming in.